Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your favorite passages on Bible Gateway. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for favorites. Click on Favorites. And now you will see your favorite passages. That's how you find your favorite passages on Bible Gateway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.